we're gonna open some Trucks of Freedom. Let's go. I'm not sure if this is a package 1 or a package 2. I'm just opening boxes. Alright, there it is. As usual, I will let you see what's in the box first. This way and that way. I feel some sort of kit. It's a straight axle Phoenix. Oh, it's an RTR Phoenix. Nice. Nice. That usually means we get cool parts as well. So, with, let's see, how am I going to do this? We'll get this out of the way. Look at that. So let's see what else we got in the box. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? Ooh, sick! So inside the box, we also have some F10T housings. Looks like they have knuckles. No, they don't have knuckles. What the hell? Oh, they've just got the plastic, or the, damn it. They just have, they have the machine carriers, and I do see some ends on them. I thought a lot of people were getting, knuckles with these, but I guess I may not have. But that's okay, because I literally just told Doug and Jordan the other day, if I get a Phoenix with the black F10Ts, I have an LC80 body that I'm going to put on it. So, along with that, I also got this guy here. Oh, these are the knuckles. Sick. So I got some aluminum knuckles, and I got, I got all sorts of stuff. Where'd my knife go? This is kind of cool. There's more in this box, or in this bag than I thought there was. Let's see what all we have. We have, obviously, the Trucks of Freedom card here. Super, super sick. Don't know. That is so cool. These are really thin. These are not even like cardstock thin. They're super thin. I will be putting that in a box. I got a lightweight clear motor plate. So this is the one that's actually machined out on the back or the front, however you want to call that, to move the motor a little farther forward, and it drops some weight. I got some Incision drive shafts. Very, very nice upgrade for any truck that you have, and the SCX 10-2 black knuckles. Very, very nice. Let's see. Let's check these out. I've never seen these in person because no one's ordered them, and I hadn't really gotten around to it yet. Let's see what we got here. Very cool. Very, very cool, actually. Let's see. Oh, nice. So we got the little ends, the carrier, comes with all the bolts, the instructions and everything. Just go ahead and slam that door, that's fine. So cool. I may just assemble these on the live tonight, and the 35 of you that'll be there will actually know. Which is, I guess, is a good time to plug this. I go live every Monday night at 7 o'clock Central Eastern time, I think. I'm in Indiana, whatever time that is. Anyway, I go live, usually it's with Doug or Jordan, one or the other. We kind of bounce back and forth. Sometimes we'll be here. We've started going down into Jordan's basement every once in a while because it is really warm here. Luckily today is quite tolerable, so we'll be out here. So that pretty much wraps up all the spare parts. So I have already decided that I'm going to run this truck. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'll just cut this open, and we will see. If you guys have never seen an RTR Phoenix, we'll check it out real fast. I won't go in depth because I'm sure most of you have. However, this is what it looks like when you get it. Everything comes out as one. Yeah. This comes off here. Anyway, take this out. It is sitting on this box here. Basically, you got a brand new truck. All it needs is a battery. You have the remote right here. Now, I will be completely honest. I bought the Trucks of Freedom to maybe sell some stuff if I got something crazy, or maybe I'll just keep a lot of it, and we'll see what happens there. But this will definitely be a keeper. Like I said, I've got a hard body to go on it, and I am super stoked about that. So I will have to find some wheels. So I'm super stoked about that. This is actually a really good truck, and I am just going to change the body, oils, and tires, and I will go wheel the balls off of it. That concludes the Trucks of Freedom for today. Hopefully you liked what you saw. Sometimes things get crazy, sometimes they don't. It's okay. It just is what it is. If you expect to get something crazy, you're just going to be let down. If you expect to get something that's just cool, that's the way to go. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram and Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC, across the board, and I will see you later. Hopefully, don't forget to check me out on Monday nights on Monday Night Live at 7 o'clock. Bye!
Daddy,
It's annoying, isn't it? Wee, wee.